Welcome to Tioga. This is what we do. Hi, I'm Warwick Adams, the Managing Director of Tioga Limited, a contract electronics manufacturer based in Derby in the heart of the United Kingdom. Our main factory is a beautiful Grade 2 listed building converted into a sophisticated manufacturing facility with the second site a short distance away. We've invested heavily in capital equipment, IT infrastructure and general manufacturing technology. We undertake all aspects of electronic assembly with the capability for systems build, test and configuration, full box build, packaging, warehousing and shipping. We firmly believe in creating key partnerships with our customers. Our aim is that all customers think of us as an extension of their own purchasing and manufacturing departments. We are absolutely committed to delivering a first-class service. Driving the production process from quotation to shipment, we use Microsoft Dynamics. Many areas of this system have been developed in-house for meeting our specific requirements. We utilise advanced materials purchasing and handling within this system for tracking traceability of all products.
We provide first-class communications with both our customers and suppliers. It is our policy to take every opportunity to reduce lead times in both purchasing and manufacturing. We have invested heavily in staff, equipment and technology to provide an exceptionally fast and smooth transfer from our customers and suppliers.
Our highly trained engineering team are responsible for converting customer data from design stage, prototype, pre-production through to volume manufacture. We're able to guarantee a complete PCB procurement and assembly service with technical backup. We invested in the software Aegis Factory Logics. This enables us to provide the shop floor with a wide range of work instruction and has allowed us to create a flexible pathway through the factory to suit our build flow.
We are equipped with the latest inspection technology with a highly trained team to enable us to inspect all our PCBs to the most exact standards. We always prefer to test all our customers' products prior to shipment. We have invested significantly on both manual and automated programming and test equipment to meet these requirements. Our services far exceed just manufacturing as we provide total product management solutions. We are able to take on the logistics of our customers' requirements in their entirety, from initial design through to manufacture and delivery of the final service and product.
At the centre of everything we do at Tioga is our commitment to quality. The company is committed to continual improvement of its systems for maintaining customer relationships and nurturing a happy and motivated workforce. We are driven to ensure excellence in everything we do and have the autonomy and senior management support to advocate a right first time and continual improvement culture.
We have established an intensive training programme for all our staff. Our in-house qualified IPC trainer provides a programme covering all aspects of workmanship standards and is carried out in our bespoke training facility tailored for both theory and practical skills.
We always focus our efforts on what is important to our customers. We run an annual customer feedback survey which always generates an excellent response and has returned extremely positive results. Our sales team are constantly working with customers to make sure they get the best possible service from all areas of our business.
It is important to ensure all our staff are happy in the workplace. Having a dedicated HR programme designed to engage with everybody at all levels helps to connect our employees to the business, adding a common goal of working together as a team. Our gym, which is available for all the employees, also helps to enhance their health, mindfulness and well-being. It is the absolute aim of Tioga to produce a service of the highest quality. The company consistently strives to exceed the requirements and expectations of our customers. This enables the business to successfully identify and develop new market opportunities and to enhance the reputation of our business as a world-class supplier. Thank you for taking the time to listen to our story. Please get in touch and join us for a factory tour. Our lunches are legendary.